to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 2 delicious back to school snack ideas. These are also great to pack in your lunch. My kids have been loving these 2 recipes, and I would like to say a huge thank you to Boku Superfood. They are sponsoring today's video. So let's go ahead and get into the first recipe. It is a matcha chia seed pudding. It is so delicious. It's very healthy and naturally sweetened with maple syrup, as you can see here. Make sure to check the description box for full recipes. I'm going to be adding this organic sweet matcha powder. Here I'm adding the chia seeds, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on and shake it up. This is going to mix all of the ingredients together, incorporate the almond milk, the chia seeds, the matcha powder, and the maple syrup. And then go ahead and set a timer for 10 minutes and let your matcha mixture set up. Once the 10 minutes is up, shake it up one more time and then put it in your refrigerator for 1 hour. You can also do this in the evening and let it sit overnight. Now we're going to start on the no-bake oatmeal protein bites. These are super yummy. They taste like a dessert way more than an energy bite, but they're packed full of protein thanks to Boku Superfoods. This recipe is also listed down below. I'm starting with 1 cup of oats and adding some organic honey. Also adding peanut butter and a capful or a teaspoon of vanilla. Now I'm adding the chia again, and here is the organic super protein. Then I added a little bit of M&Ms. I blended them up so that they were pretty fine, and then mix it up and scoop out with a 1-inch scooper the balls onto a tray, and then go ahead and put these into the refrigerator to let them chill for about 15 minutes. Once again, check the description box below. There's a link. Use the code AMYLYNN for 20% off your first purchase. And as you can see here, my 5 children are loving these 2 recipes. And even my high school student asked for me to make her some of this matcha chia pudding to take to school for lunch for her and her girlfriends. So definitely a hit. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!